Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a read-only Excel file to an editable file. Let's get started. At first glance, the spreadsheet I have open may not seem read-only, but if you look closely, you'll notice at the top it's labeled as Book 1, XLSX and tagged as read-only. If I try to change any changes, it will prevent me saying it can't save because the file is read-only. Let's address that issue. Click OK and press Escape to exit the Save as dialog box. Close the file for now and navigate to the location where the file is stored. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties dialog box, switch to the General tab. You'll find an attribute labeled Read Only. To resolve this, uncheck the checkbox next to it and click OK. Now double-click Book 1 XLSX to open it again. This time, it will open without the Read Only tag at the top. You can freely make changes, and when you click Save, you won't encounter any errors. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.